If free transform in Photoshop is not working, frozen, invisible, lagging or crashing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. Make sure to watch until the end because I'm also going to show you the key settings that usually cause this problem in the first place. If this video helps, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more quick Photoshop fixes. Let's start with the first method. If free transform is totally frozen or invisible, this is the fix you want if pressing Ctrl+T does absolutely nothing, or if the transform box shows up but the handles are missing. First, press Enter or ESC on your keyboard. Sometimes, Photoshop gets stuck in a hidden or half-finished task, like an open text box or another active tool, and that can block free transform from working properly. Exiting that task can instantly restore normal behavior. Next, look at your Layers panel and check whether the layer you want to transform is locked. If you see a padlock icon, click it to fully unlock the layer. Photoshop will not always allow transform actions on locked layers, so this is one of the most common reasons free transform appears broken. If you are working with a background layer, make sure it is unlocked before trying again. Now press Ctrl+H. This toggles the visibility of extras, like selection boundaries and layer edges. Sometimes the transform box is actually there, but Photoshop is hiding the on-screen guides, which makes it look like nothing is happening. Turning that view back on can make the bounding box appear instantly. If you still do not see the handles, select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Then go to the top options bar and make sure Show Transform Controls is checked. This is a great manual workaround because it forces Photoshop to display the transform box whenever you move a layer. After enabling it, click your layer again and see if the transform controls appear on screen. Now let's move to the second method. If free transform is lagging, glitching, blinking black, or even causing Photoshop to crash, this usually points to a graphics processor issue. To fix it, go to the top menu, click Edit, then Preferences, and choose Performance. In the Graphics Processor Settings section, find the option that says Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. This tells Photoshop to stop relying on your GPU for the transform action, which often solves stuttering, screen tearing, and crashing problems. Once you change that setting, click OK and restart Photoshop completely. Do not skip the restart, because the change usually will not fully apply until the program reloads. After reopening Photoshop, try free transform again and see if the issue is gone. If the problem is fixed, that's great. If not, I recommend checking for additional Photoshop updates, restarting your computer, and making sure your graphics drivers are up to date as well. But in most cases, one of these two methods solves the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix Photoshop free transform not working, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with another Photoshop problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.